Hello friends, welcome to Enchanted Elegance, your ultimate destination for all things mirror designing, dressing table decoration. Our channel is dedicated to transforming your dressing area into a heaven of beauty, luxury, and style. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or just starting out, we have got you covered with a treasure trove of inspiring ideas, practical tips, and die projects. What to expect? Explore a world of exquisite mirror dressing table setups designed to elevate your daily beauty routine. We showcase an array of themes from opulent Hollywood glam to minimalistic chic, each with its unique charm and personality. Our in depth tutorials cover everything from selecting the perfect mirror to arranging accessories that harmonize with your space. Curated shopping guides. We understand that finding the right pieces can be overwhelming, so we have got you covered. Dive into our carefully curating shopping guides that feature hand-picked items ranging from mirrors, vanities, lightings, organizers, and decorative accents. We provide links to make your shopping experiences a breeze. Expert advice and tips. Our experienced team of interiors designers and decor enthusiasts share valuable insights on color palettes, spatial arrangements, lighting techniques, and more. We are here to help you achieve a harmonious balance between functionality and aesthetics. Die projects. For those who love to add a personal touch, we offer step-by-step tutorials on creating custom accessories and unique decor pieces that will truly make your dressing table stand out. From hand painted vanity trays to mirror furniture makeovers, we have got projects suited for all skill levels. Join our community. Connect with like-minded decor enthusiasts, share your own creations, and seek advice from our vibrant community of subscribers. Enchanted Elegance is more than just a channel. It's a place to inspire, learn, and grow together in the art of mirror dressing table decorations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out our later uploads. Be the first to discover the hottest trends and newest techniques in mirror dressing tables. Thanks for watching my video.